This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, November 24th, 2024. It is 9:28 and 38 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, radar UFO sightings. So let's hop to it here. A multiple visual, multiple radar sighting similarly suggesting controlled flight occurred August 12, 1953 near Rapid City, South Dakota. The UFO was first spotted hovering in the eastern sky by the Ground Observer Corps. It moved in over the city, then back to its original position. Then ground radar began tracking the UFO, and an F-84 was scrambled and vectored in on the object, chasing it for 120 miles. Both the UFO and the jet showed plainly on the GCI radar screen. Each time the jet began to close in, the UFO would move ahead with a burst of speed. When the pilot gave up and turned back to base, the UFO turned and followed. A second F-84 scrambled and chased the UFO 160 miles, obtaining a radar lock-on. The UFO again stayed just out of reach. When the pilot switched on his radar-ranging gun sight, and the red light blinked on, showing something real and solid was ahead of him, the pilot was scared. When I talked to him, he readily admitted that he'd been scared. He asked the controller if he could break off the intercept. This time the UFO continued on course, on the north. The Ground Observer Corps on the path ahead was notified and reported seeing a light, speeding north. At the climax of the sighting, when the pilot became frightened, ground radar showed the jet and the UFO. The pilot's gun sight radar showed the UFO, and the pilot could see with his own eyes a speeding, unidentified light in front of him. A NICAP member later queried the Air Force about the case and received a written reply on September 17, 1958, stating, "Photos of the radar scope and gun camera photos were made but were not sufficiently clear for evaluation. The Ellsworth Air Force Base case is still listed as unknown or unsolved." NICAP note, the fact that the gun camera photos showed an image at all is further proof that something real and solid was outspeeding jet interceptors. In conjunction with the multiple radar and multiple visual observations, an image on the film is close to complete proof of the reality of UFOs. And this is Professor Christopher, codename Will, leader of research scientist ufologist, computer technician, computer programmer, philanthropist, writer, mathematician, artist, photographer, film producer, chef, animal, and nature lover, passion, world peace. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD.